I was very tired, so I drank 2 cups of coffee. It rained this morning, so I stayed home. I watched an English video, and it was really helpful. This is a great way to improve your English, just by using simple sentences from daily life. If you do this every night for just 5 minutes, you will improve more than you think. You don't need anything special. You can write in a small notebook, or even on your phone. You can also share your sentences with a friend, someone who is also learning English. Then you can both learn together. Another very useful habit is recording your voice. At the end of the day, open your phone and speak for 1 minute. Just talk about your day, your thoughts, your feelings, or your plans. For example, today was busy. I had a meeting in the morning. I made lunch for my family. In the evening, I watched an English video. It's completely okay to make mistakes. No one else needs to hear it. This is just for you. When you listen to yourself, you start noticing your pronunciation, your grammar, and your mistakes. And slowly, you begin to improve them. This builds confidence, fluency, and awareness. Another helpful habit is joining English-speaking groups online. You don't need a classroom. You can find learners on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook groups. You can send messages, voice notes, or ask questions. Even reading others' messages helps a lot. It makes English feel real, not just a subject. You can also learn from short videos. Watch YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos. Choose simple topics like daily life, travel, or food. Watch them a few times, then repeat the sentences you hear. Try to copy the voice, the tone, and the speed. Even 20 seconds of practice is enough, because small practice is still powerful practice. The secret is simple. Turn small daily habits into English practice. Say good morning in English. Write your daily tasks in English. Watch a few minutes of English content every day. These small actions create strong habits. And strong habits create confident English speakers. So remember, make English part of your daily life. Not just something you study, but something you live with. And that is how real fluency begins. See you next time. Today, I want to talk about something simple, but very important. Consistency. Many people start learning English with a lot of motivation. But after a few days, they stop. Not because they are not smart, but because they are not consistent. Learning English is not about doing a lot in one day. It is about doing a little every day. Even 5 minutes can change your progress. For example, you can listen to a short English video while you are resting. You can speak a few sentences while you are alone. You can think in English during your free time. These small actions are very powerful. At first, it may feel strange, You may not find the right words. You may make mistakes. But that is completely normal. Every learner feels the same. The important thing is, you don't stop. You keep going. Another good habit is to think in English. When you wake up, try to say simple things in your mind. Like, I am getting up. I am feeling sleepy. I need to start my day. This helps your brain get used to English, and slowly, you will start thinking faster. Also, try to describe your surroundings. Look around you and say what you see. For example, I see a table. My phone is on the table. The room is quiet. This is very simple, but very effective. You don't need big words. Simple English is enough. Another important thing is not comparing yourself with others. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. That's okay. Your journey is your own. Focus on your progress, not someone else's. If you can speak better than yesterday, you are improving. And that is what matters. Sometimes you may feel tired. Sometimes you may feel bored. That's normal too. In those moments, don't force yourself too much. Just listen instead of speaking. Or watch something simple in English. Keep it light, but don't stop completely. Because stopping breaks your habit. And habits are everything. When English becomes your habit, it becomes easy. It becomes natural. So keep going, step by step, day by day, and slowly you will see the change. You will understand more. You will speak better. And most importantly, you will feel confident. Thank you for listening, and keep practicing. See you in the next episode.